Hi guys, this is Himanshu Irna from AI. My today's topic is application of mathematics in daily life. In the development of our country as well as in the world, the mathematics has played an important role in various sectors such as finance. Finance is an important sector in which the country needs to grow because finance is the base for each and every economy to get into the worldwide trade and various organizations. For example, if you take the finance condition of Pakistan as well as various economically developing countries and India, you will find that the development of mathematics as well as the development of finance is the most and the important factor. In such a way, finance is a base for each and every economy. Moving forward to our next point, that is science and technology. Maths is directly proportional to science and technology. Each and every formulas, various theorems, various chapters are directly related to science and mathematics. For example, sine, trigonometry, probability, statistic, and various chapters or various functions are related to science and technology. In fact, we can say that mathematics is the base of science and technology. We can see the infrastructure of India is developing day by day. The development of country is rising day by day. But the infrastructure is related to mathematics. Various roads, construction buildings, various bridges, etc. are made with the use of mathematics. Mathematics has played an important role in development of country's infrastructure as well as the development project which are going day by day. Moving forward for the elections. As we know that elections are approaching day by day, mathematics has played an important role in development of elections. Each and every vote is counted and as well as they are made in UM machines by the help of mathematics. So I urge each and every Indian as well as the people of Baramati to vote and make their good leader.
Hello friends, my name is Sandeep Ganpat Gore. Mathematics plays an important role in traveling. For example, distance calculation. Whether exploring a new city, to accurate distance calculation is needed. Mathematics is help to find accurate distance. For example, such a distance formula in geometry help to calculate the straight line distance between two locations. Fuel calculation. For road trips, math help in calculating the amount of fuel needed based on distance and fuel efficiency. Time management. Travelers use math to manage their schedules when dealing with the time zones. Understanding metrics. Maths used in converting units of measurements like distance, temperature, volume for better understanding in foreign countries. Navigation. Mathematics algorithms used in GPS and navigation apps to find the best routes. Shopping. Maths helps to calculating discount, tax and final price while shopping. Risk assessment, probability and statistics used to find a safe route for traveling. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Tanishk Arjun Kaskar. I am in AIA division. So my today's topic is how mathematics is used in sports. Mathematics plays an important role in sportsman's life. Such as there are various sports such as cricket, football, soccer, badminton. In cricket, we can use mathematics to calculate batsman's strike rate, bowler's average, batsman's average, then the required run rate, then how many scores should be done in this over to achieve the target. We can calculate the total target in limited overs. In football, we can find the angle in which the ball should be kicked, in which the goal should done. In badminton, the shuttlecock speed, then the air drag. These are the things we can check during the badminton. Then we can also calculate the probability. Then if we toss a coin, then there are two probabilities, heads or tail. So there are many betting apps in which we can bet the projected score or which batsman will score more runs and earn from that. So there is statistics also used in sports, which we can consider batsman's stats in last year or 4 years, or bowler stats against the team, or how the player plays against that team. We can also calculate the stats of that player. Then we can also find the history of that player against these formats, or these formats means T20 format, ODI format, or test format. Or in soccer we also find the how the player performs against the individual team.
Hello friends, my name is Sairaj and I am from AIA. So we know mathematics is used in space technology. So how it is used? To calculate distance between two celestial objects. For example, the distance between Earth and Sun. By basic calculation it is calculated, and that is 150 million kilometers. And such like that we can also calculate distance between different celestial objects. Mathematics is also used to build spacecrafts, satellites, and different thermal control system and proportional system. Mathematics is also used to calculate gravitational force between two different objects. Also, mathematics is used in various kind of solar activities, to observe various kind of solar activities like solar eclipse, solar flares, and then storms. And also mathematics is used to observe and study events like black hole creation and supernova destruction. Also there are so many events we can observe using mathematics. By using mathematics we can also find out the coordinates of satellites, spacecrafts by spherical geometry, and then using trigonometry. Same, we can also use mathematics to create different theories like Newton's gravitational law, universal gravitation law, and then Kepler's planetary law of motion. Also, the famous scientist, Einstein, he used the math to create theory of relativity, or give the study. He gave the study of theory of relativity equal to mc square. Just like that, we can use mathematics to create different theories